So, what you guys just witnessed was how my 240 sounds right now with the straight pipe cat. Okay, it doesn't have a cat. It has a 4-inch ISR exhaust that we installed in the last video, and in this video we are going to be putting on an ISR high flow cat to change the tone, give it a deeper sound, and hopefully it makes a big difference, because right now, as you guys heard, has some rasp to it, and that's just a no-go. So we're gonna fix that. Let's do this. Those of you that can relate to what I just did. Lower car life, always gotta bring it up on something just to freaking jack the car up. Struggle. Oof. Ow. We're getting underneath the 240 right now, so I can show you guys what's going on. So, as you guys can see, this is that little straight pipe where the cat should be. Is right here because the car didn't come with cats. That's what I had to get on in the last video from the exhaust. Here's the ISR exhaust going all the way up right there. So it's really like almost like a literally full straight pipe. It's pretty insane. So what I'm gonna do is take this off, put on the high flow cat, then we will be good to go. I'll try my best to film all this, but I'm here by myself, so it's gonna be kind of hard taking it off and filming at the same time. Just like that, this pipe that we got made at the little exhaust shop, this is supposed to be temporary, is out. And here, okay. And here is the ISR one. Let's open this up. And here it is. Look at this difference. Ooh, look at that. This is literally a straight see-through pipe. This one, look at the inside. This is gonna change the tone. I'm so excited.
I'm so excited.
My heart went. My heart just got stuck between these boots. My mind got stuck in between these boots. But it's okay.
Let's go ahead and put it on now. Just like that, it is on, nice and tight, so we are good to turn it on and see how it sounds.
5 minutes later.
What do you think? Changed the tone a lot, huh? It sounds a lot deeper. Yeah, for sure. It sounds a lot deeper now. Let me know what you guys think of how it sounds. Let's get some rollers though.
Bro,
so, what do you think about the new exhaust, how it sounds compared to before?
Okay, so the new exhaust, like right now, it sounds like a lot deeper.
Wait, what are you wearing? Bro, do
Quest.
you not have a shirt on underneath?
Oh, I do actually.
Oh,
It's like a
okay.
tank top.
I was like,
Yeah,
what the
feel me?
fuck?
So the Quest Nutrition sweater, but yeah, go back to the, to the exhaust. It sounds a lot more deeper. Before the cat, what's it called? It was like a lot more rattly.
Yeah,
so
it
I feel
was.
like everything now with the cat on, it's like just sucked to them and just make it a lot deeper. So I like it.
Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. Now, I just got some speakers that just got here for the rear. So I only have speakers in the front. So I only have these two in the front. So right now we are going to install the speakers in the rear, and then I'm gonna show you guys how it sounds right now, and then we'll show you guys how it sounds after. Okay, so that's how it sounds right now, guys. Alright guys, so let's pop open the trunk. Show you guys where I'm installing these rear two. Okay, so slot there, slot there. Speakers I got are right here. There's some JBLs. So let's plug these in. Out, I now have to wire up the speakers that are in the trunk because I tried turning them on and then they wouldn't turn on, so I figured out that they're not even plugged in. So that's what we're about to do, about to wire these up, clamp them together with a little wire, and then we'll be good to go. So I'm just gonna do that real quick. So the sound system is in. I don't have bolts to screw it in, so I just left it so at least it won't fall off, you know. That's why I screwed it in like that. So we need to, you know, screw these down, screw this one down, but they're both installed already. They're good to go. And then that's it with that. No code. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, these are done. So I'm gonna, you know, play it so you guys can hear how it sounds like now. Yo, what is up everybody? This is day 2 since I did that exhaust video and the stereo, all that stuff. We are about to get some rollers, how it sounds with that high flow cat right now. So we about to hit you with some dope content. Get ready in 3, 2, 1.
So lost in a world of black seas now. Lost in the water, got me looking for the keys now. I don't know myself, I probably switch up on my G's now. I drink half the bottle just to dash away the fees now. I chose all these things, I know. I take all the blame, I put it on me, I know. All these goofy niggas tryna block me, I know. All these fake dudes say they rather fucking go. Drama. Fuck the drama. I only came to get the motherfucking moolah. Yo bitch will fuck me, then she give me all the moolah. Flip her over like I'm reading Kama Sutra. Yeah. Kama. Yeah. Step close, face my katana. Yeah. All my niggas whipping in the Honda. All around the world I move like I'm a panorama. Yeah.
Back. Hope you guys enjoyed those rollers. Those were all filmed by the famous one and only Slowboat. Shout out.
Sir.
Thank you, bro. Go give him a follow on IG. My boy, I heard you got a new whip.
You guys not ready for new whip.
They not ready.
We're coming hard.
They not ready.
They're not ready for the soon-to-be wide-body Veloster. Feel me? Nah, homie. It's base model because, you know, I'm trying to upgrade, you know, put all the carbon fiber like I always do.
Yeah.
You already know we're gonna put some like clapped out, you know, like wheels on there first.
Yeah,
You know?
we gonna bag it.
You gonna bag it here? Look, I'm gonna take it on the inside.
It's a 3-door looking
Hell
boy.
Yeah, 3-door right here. Man.
Uh-huh.
Check it out.
Damn. It's fresh, my boy. It's fresh. It's fresh.
Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. You already know we can get some honeycomb hood and fenders. Maybe a new front bumper.
Do it! Just do it! Let me hit you guys with some cinematics of this right quick.
Cinematics for that?
Yeah,
Hey,
let's launch that. Ready?
hey, no,
Jump.
hey, hold
Ready?
on. Before that, hey, make sure you go cop your Lethal Culture merch. Yes, sir. Go to the website. You already know the deal.
Website.
The website, yes, sir.
All right, ready? We're gonna drop a cinematic, bro. So as soon as you jump, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Rex, put that on my soul. Reaping you will sow. Fucking these bad hoes. They want me back though. I just be doing my thing and they tripping, but shit, I ain't mad though. Put that in the past. I was down bad, but I'm going up now.
Anyways, I hope you guys know we were kidding about that Veloster. Now imagine we really mod that, bro. We really mod that.
Oh, that'd be actually pretty
dope?
fresh.
Would that be dope?
Honestly, a little side story. I used to want a Veloster. Before I got my 370, I really wanted a Veloster.
No, you didn't, bro.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Oh my god,
How
yes,
you go
I
from
did.
a Veloster to a 370?
They kind of look the same. They kind of look like turtles. Look at them. They look like turtles.
Yeah,
Come on,
yeah,
don't-
they look like
yeah,
turtles.
come on.
Nah, just
Yeah.
played. Maybe the trunks.
Yeah.
They both got some fat booties.
Oh, they do. They do.
Yeah,
They got some
but
big
like the
booties.
370Z is like slim thick. The Veloster just thick.
You know what I kind of drove this? You can feel the difference between a 4-cylinder and a V6. 'Cause, I mean, my V6, I mean, it's tuned and it has like full bolt-ons. But driving this, it feels so slow. I miss my car, bro. Honestly, I miss my car.
Go drive your car.
Okay, we're gonna go drive my car. All right, let's go.
Go drive it. Go drive it. All right, guys. Anyways, that's gonna be it for today's video. Let me know what you guys want to see next. 240, more stuff coming. Also, believe it or not, I actually have a TikTok now. Follow it at Lethal Culture to see some funny little edits, all that good stuff. All that good stuff, and peace out. We're back with more videos.